Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a review on another brush. This one's a cheap brush. This one's the Fengda DB 208 on a 0.25. Let's take a closer look at the brush and then we'll do some spraying with it. Right, there's the brush and a little bit about it. My thoughts off the bat getting it out of the box. Picked it up because when you get the cheap brushes, you sort of think, oh, is it going to be good? Is it going to be bad? Got it out of the box, picked it up, went straight to the trigger and felt the trigger. And I thought, yeah, the trigger's nice on this. The models, as they go up on the ranges, they get a little bit better bits on them. And the trigger on this feels really nice. Comfortable, rounded off edges. Nice spring feel in this on tension. Usually they sound a bit gritty and grainy, but the trigger feels really nice. There's no like grittiness when you're moving back or anything. I took the brush apart, had a look at it, slid the needle out. Needle could do with a polish, but I've not polished it. All I did was put a little bit of lubrication in the middle and slid it through back into the brush. Dropped a little bit of lubrication on the adjuster here and a little bit around the thread. So when you do your adjuster, it's smoother, and when you put the back of the body on, it's smoother. That's all it needed. To the front, you've got the nice taper down, small crown cap that you can unscrew. Nice needle exposure on this, so when you're working up close, you can see your needle. Bonus with this one, you've got a MAC valve. MAC valve works. I put some cleaner in it, hooked it up to an airline, sprayed, dialed in on the MAC valve, and it brought the air down nice. I like the small cup on this. It's not too big, got plenty of visibility, and it feels comfortable. So we're going to do a little spray test on here. This is going to be a time lapse. I'm going to paint this, and then I'll see you at the end and I'll give my honest opinion on the DB 208 and tell you whether it's worth picking up or not. See you in a bit.
Can you keep up? Can keep up? Can you keep up? Hair piled high in a soft messy crown, big bright eyes that are looking around, full lips pout with a glint in my gaze, every little detail, every light and haze. I got this vision, I want it so clear, capture my face, every shadow right here, but I'm looking right down at Dread's hand, wondering if you'll follow every command. Oh, BD 208, tell me true. Can you paint me the way I want you to? All the soft blends and the sharp little lines, all the fine details where the beauty shines with your hand, all the pressure with your flow just right, or will you let me down before we take flight? BD 208, don't you hesitate. Can you paint my portrait? Can you handle my face? There's shine on the skin and the strands of my hair, like hitting highlights so fragile and rare. Every curve, every shape, every stroke needs to be perfectly placed to capture me. I know you're built strong, I know you're precise, but this is the test now. Can you handle the price of getting it right, of getting it true? I'm putting my faith in everything you do. Will you spray smooth or will you splatter and stray? Will you fade soft or just get in the way? I'm trusting my image right into your stream. Come on, BD 208, make me the dream. Oh, BD 208, tell me true. Can you paint me the way I want you to? All the soft blends and the sharp little lines, all the fine details where the beauty shines. Will you handle the pressure, will you flow just right, or will you let me down before we take flight? BD208, don't you hesitate. Can you paint my portrait? Can you handle my face? Hair up high, eyes wide open to see. Go on BD208, do this for me. Can you keep up?
There you go, my thoughts on the airbrush. This piece took me around 20 minutes, if that, probably a little bit less. No tip dry in the 20 to 30 minutes that I was painting. No finger ache, no finger mark on the trigger, pressing it down, so comfortable. That's a bonus. I just put some tunes on and cracked on with it. Comfortable, I had the pressure at 22 on the main line and just dialed it into that. I left it at that. That's around, on the Mac valve, probably just under 20. It was nice, you know. Mixed media paper, 300 GSM. The paint that I was using was Art Studio. I think it's probably one of the best black inks I've tried. Really cheap. I'll leave a link to the description of these. You've got to buy the pack to get the ink, but you're only paying like £4.80 or a £5 for 5 bottles of ink to get a bottle of black. It's probably the best one I've used. Get a really nice tone with it. You get a nice transparent black out of it. The mix that I did was 1 drop of black on the pipette. This is a 10 milliliter bottle and I went up the bottle 20 mil. So 1 drop of paint and went up the bottle 20 mil with ISO. 99.9% ISO, just filled it up, put a shaker in it, job done. You got a great transparent black and you can just overlay it. Sprays perfect, guys. Some of them eyelashes coming down are about a mil thick, 2 mil long, going round. All the line works, all just freehand straight in, just going off a very light pencil outline, just all freehand, no shields, no nothing, and just painted. And the brush just worked perfect, guys. It really did. I cannot fault it. For a £20 brush or just over, and it's hitting that comfortably with no stress, dramas, no achy finger, nice soft trigger. A great brush, a great detail brush, you know, for this tight little small intricate work. Just works an absolute treat. Can't go wrong. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link in the description to that one, the paint, the paper that I used, the ISO that I'm using with the mixes. Pick one up and give it a go, you know. But do your paint mixes like that. And then you see these things come alive when you paint with them, you know, because you could probably buy that as a beginner and then you go and get your cheap, thick acrylic paint because you're not used to thinning it down or anything like that, and you put it in and you won't get anywhere near the details that are hitting that. You really won't. You'll be struggling, it'll be choking up, you'll just have dramas with it. Dial your inks in, thin them out, start to bring your pressure down, and you can just line with that thing like sharp as anything and just on and off the trigger. It's absolutely on point. Cannot fault it. Thanks for watching. Drop your comments, tell me your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.
Can you keep up?